J, Hudson NJ, Union NJ, beginning at 11:34 a.m. and ending at 3:34 p.m. Reports of pizza rolls contaminated with an unknown disease in the alerted area and persons coming down with the unknown disease have been reported in the mentioned counties. Symptoms include nausea, vomiting, high fever, cramps, indigestion, and coma. If you have eaten any pizza rolls from any company within 6 hours, call 911 and rush yourself to the nearest hospital.